What's cooking, you say? Powerglide transmission cooking. Some clutches. Boom. We're going to tear this thing down. What's up, everybody? Jason here, Jason's Garage. And today, we are tearing the old Powerglide apart. I got the pump out. I know you probably can't see this very well. Obviously I got the front pump out. Got the band out. The band looks pretty good. Pump doesn't. I haven't taken it apart yet to see inside of it. But I did, however, start to take the clutches out. And I hope the sun's not messing with us here, but I got one clutch that's really funky. You can see all the material's gone right there. Like, here's what a pretty good one looks like. It's got good material all the way around it. It was like the farther I got in, the worse they got. Like this one, actually, yeah, this one's missing a little chunk over here. And then this one's missing like a whole side, like something ran through it right there. I said, this is my first time ever taking a Powerglide apart. I used to do the C4 Ford transmissions a lot in my old Ford Mustang. So I'm gonna move on here and take some more stuff apart. Good thing I did. We definitely need clutches. Okay, update. I got the rear pump off. I don't even know if you can see that. These transmissions actually have two pumps, a front and a rear. You can actually build enough pressure to push start these. But sun gear looks really good. Planetary looks really good. It's the press together unit, so that means it's like the 182 or 181, whatever it is. But now I gotta build a press. Let's see if I can get you in there. I gotta build a press to push this down and get this clip out so I can get these clutches out, which I'm sure they're pretty well smoked too, so. But I'll keep you up to date. Okay, so it wasn't quite as invasive as I thought it was going to be. Trying to move you around here, sorry. I just had to take a couple screwdrivers and pop this gigantic clip out. I was holding that clutch pack in. Well, let's check out these clutches. Man, I'm really bad with the phone right now today. Alright, so like a spacer, steel, which looks good. See, this clutch actually looks pretty good. Steel, pretty good. This clutch, these are reverse clutches, so they shouldn't really be too chewed up. They look, that one looks really good. Let's see. What's those forward clutches? It looked like burnt up stuff. So, I am going to be putting a trans brake valve body in this, and I'm going to be changing the input shaft so I can run the Hydromatic 350-400 turbo torque converters. So I got to order the forward clutches. Well, it'll be forward and reverse clutches. Forward and reverse clutches, gasket set, O-ring set, you know, whatever seals come with these things. And we can start putting it back together. So everybody, thanks for watching this little short update. There she is back there. And we'll see you on the next one. So get out there and fix something. Get ready for No Name Nationals.